How is it going, guys? In this video, I'll show you how to watch and stream GoTV channels on a smartphone. You can also watch any movies, shows and programs you must have missed on your smartphone. This works on both Android and iPhone. So let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the Play Store if you are on an Android device, or you go to the App Store if you're on an iPhone. So what you want to do right here is go to the search section and search for GoTV Stream. So now that you search for GoTV Stream, then you should see this app right here with this logo. That's the GoTV Stream app logo. So you want to click on install. Then you wait for the installation to complete. Then you want to open the app for the first time. Allow every necessary permissions. So right here, to log into your GoTV on your smartphone, you need a MultiChoice ID. So right here, we want to create a MultiChoice ID account. If you already have one, you can just simply log in with your MultiChoice ID account. But if you don't have anyone, you want to go to dstv.com to create one. So I'm just going to go to my browser. I'll open my Chrome browser and then I'll search for dstv.com. Right here, you click on sign in. Then you want to click on create a MultiChoice ID. So I'm just going to create that. Click on that. Then right here, you can sign up with your email, phone number and password. So I'm just going to do that right now. Now when you are done, you want to click on create your MultiChoice ID. And that way, our account has been created for us. So now let's go back to the GoTV Stream app. Now you can now log in with the details you just used in creating your account. So I'll enter my phone number and the password I used to create an account. After entering your details, you want to click on sign in. So that will sign us into our account. So right here, you need to enter your GoTV smart card number. This is usually the number behind at the bottom of your GoTV. So you want to enter your smart card number right here so that you can also get the same package you subscribe to on your GoTV app on your smartphone. So I'm just going to do that right now. So after entering your IUC number, you want to just IUC or smart card number, you want to click on find my GoTV package. Now, if the number that appears is your phone number, you want to click on it and then click on continue, and an OTP code will be sent to your phone number. But if for some reason the number right here, you don't know the number, this is not your phone number, or you don't identify the number, you can just click on this live chat to chat with the customer care agent to tell them that this number are displaying here is not your phone number. But if it is your phone number, you can just go ahead and enter the 4-digit code. So since the number that appears is not my phone number and I don't know this number, so I'm going to click on live chat so that I'll be able to talk to a customer care agent. Alright, so here's the message I sent today. Let's just wait for the reply. Alright, so after speaking with the customer care agent, they were able to rectify the issue for me, and now it's displaying my actual phone number. So I'm just going to click on it and then click on continue. So right here, I'm just going to enter the code, the OTP code sent to my phone. So if you did not get the code, you can always click on resend so that they can resend the code to your phone number. I've tried the code several times, but I'm not getting any code. I guess I will need to contact their customer care via chat again. And this is the message I sent and the response. Alright, so they told me to send allow to 2442 to disable do not disturb mode. So I guess they have already enabled do not disturb mode on their OTP codes. So just send this code to disable that. Alright, so I just sent the code and thankfully I was not charged for the SMS. Now let's try logging in again. What's this again? Honestly, this is a lot and I'm sure most of you will likely face these issues when also doing this. It's displaying OTP limit reached. I guess it's because I tried sending the OTP several times. Now we just need to contact customer care agents. Thankfully, it only takes like 1 to 3 minutes before they respond. Now, alright, this is the response I get. I guess I will just have to wait for some time for them to fix it. Alright, after about 2 hours, I got this email. They should have just said that the only way to stream GoTV on your phone is by contacting customer care. Anyways, let's try to log in again. Alright, so now we have an account and you can start streaming GoTV on your phone. You can watch any movie, kids channels, sports, and so on. You can go to the live TV section right here, and here you see all the available channels that are accessible to you. My GoTV package is currently GoTV Super, so all the channels available to me are those available on the Super plan. This just simply means that you need to have a GoTV package already registered on your decoder for you to be able to stream on your phone. You can click on one and start streaming on your phone. Also, you can go back to movies and watch one of the available movies they have on GoTV. Let's watch this one called Shazam, for example. So that's it for this video. If you find the video helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.